It's a very special January 11, 2026 Sunday. A beautiful day. But no ghosts at all. There's usually one laid out. They could be asleep, and when they're asleep, they don't light up. They light up nothing, you guys. Is there any outdoors? I see them outdoors all the time. But just nothing, you guys. There's just nothing. Is there any in this chair? Everyone says I create ghosts or I generate a fake AI ghost in this chair. But not today. Well, there's something. Ghost is like, no, I'm real, Shark. He is, you guys. There he is.